Hello friends, welcome back to the Fabric World. Today, in this video we will learn how to test an SSR, also called solid state relay, using a clamp meter or multimeter. We will learn what is SSR, SSR input and output terminals, how SSR works, how to check SSR with a meter, how to identify faulty SSR, practical testing step by step, important safety tips. So watch this video completely because this method is very useful for electricians, technicians, machine operators, and industrial maintenance workers. Part 1. What is SSR? SSR means solid state relay. It works like a normal relay but inside it uses electronic components instead of mechanical contacts. SSR is commonly used in temperature controllers, heaters, industrial panels, automation systems, PLC control systems, woven sack machines, motors and heaters. Main advantage of SSR: fast switching, no spark, silent operation, long life. Part 2. SSR terminal identification. Now let us identify the terminals. Normally SSR has input positive, input negative, output terminal 1, output terminal 2. In this SSR, bottom side is input, upper side is output. Input side usually works on 3 volt to 32 volt, DC. Output side controls AC load, heater, motor, lamp. Always read the label carefully before testing. Part 3. Tools required. For testing SSR you need clamp meter or multimeter, DC power supply or battery, small load if needed, connecting wires. Safety first. Never touch live AC wires directly. Part 4. Visual inspection. Before meter testing, first do visual inspection. Check burn marks, crack, smell, loose terminals, melted body. If SSR body is damaged, chances are high that SSR is faulty. Part 5. Continuity test of input side. Now we start practical testing. Set the clamp meter to continuity mode. The continuity symbol looks like buzzer sign, diode sign. Now connect red probe to positive input, black probe to negative input. Normally SSR input behaves like LED circuit. You may see some voltage drop or slight reading. If meter shows complete short circuit, SSR may be damaged. If meter shows fully open in both directions, input may be faulty. Part 6. Diode mode testing. Now switch meter to diode mode. SSR input section contains optocoupler LED. Connect probes. Red to positive, black to negative. You may get reading around 0.8 volt, 1.2 volt, or similar. Now reverse the probes. Meter should show overload, open line, no conduction. If both directions show same reading, SSR may be shorted. Part 7. Output side testing. Now test output terminals. Place probes on output terminals. Without input signal, meter should show open condition. No continuity. If output is already shorted without trigger signal, SSR is faulty. Part 8. Trigger testing. Now we perform actual switching test. Apply DC voltage to input side. Example: 12 volt battery, 24 volt DC supply. Positive to positive terminal, negative to negative terminal. Now SSR becomes active. Again check output terminals using continuity mode. Now meter may show continuity, low resistance, connection. This means SSR is switching correctly. Part 9. Practical working principle. Let us understand how SSR works internally. Inside SSR, input LED turns on. Optocoupler activates. Triac or MOSFET switches output. Because of this, small DC signal controls large AC load. That is why SSR is widely used in automation. Part 10. Common faults in SSR. Now let us discuss common SSR faults. 1. Output always on. Load keeps running continuously. Reason: triac short circuit. Though output not turning on, load never starts. Reason: input LED damaged. Internal circuit failed. Teen: heating problem. SSR becomes very hot. Reason: overload, no heat sink, loose connection. 4. Flickering output. Load blinks continuously. Reason: weak input signal, internal damage. Part 11. How to confirm faulty SSR. SSR is faulty if input shows short circuit, Output permanently shorted. No switching after trigger voltage. Burn smell present. Excessive heating. Always compare with a good SSR if available. Part 12. Safety tips. Important safety points. Never test live AC carelessly. Use insulated probes. Disconnect power before continuity testing. Use proper voltage. Avoid touching terminals directly. Safety is very important during industrial maintenance work. Part 13. Real industrial uses. SSR is used in heater temperature control, packaging machine, lamination plant, extruder machine, woven sack industry, oven control, PLC automation, because SSR switching is very fast and reliable. Part 14. Difference between relay and SSR. Normal relay, mechanical contacts, sound during switching, limited life. SSR, electronic switching, silent operation, longer life, faster operation. Part 15. Final practical summary. Let us quickly revise. Step 1. Check body condition. Step 2. Test input side in continuity or diode mode. Step 3. Check output side without trigger. Step 4. Apply DC trigger voltage. Step 5. Check output switching. If output changes after trigger voltage, SSR is good. If not, SSR may be faulty. I hope this video helped you learn SSR testing step by step. If you found this video useful, like the video, share with friends, subscribe to Fabric Vault. For more industrial electrical practical videos, keep watching Fabric Vault. Thank you for watching.